Good evening, everyone. My name is Umesh Nagar from Kota, Rajasthan. I did my schooling from my hometown and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science engineering with a focus in big data. I am good at technical skills like C, Java, SQL, and data structures. I did some project in my academics. One of them is fitness planner application in Java, which provide accurate result for calorie intake. In this project, user can choose how much calories he should take for fat loss or fat gain. I am an enthusiastic, disciplined, and adaptable person. Some of my hobbies are to play cricket and watching movies. Today I am here to present some basic concept of machine learning. So we start with basic concept of machine learning. So first of all is what is machine learning? Machine learning is the process of teaching a computer system how to make accurate prediction when fed data. Machine learning is all about field of study that give computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Now come to types of machine learning. As you can see, machine learning are three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The importance are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So we would learn about supervised learning. Supervised learning is the type of machine learning in which machines are trained using well labeled training data, and on basis of that data machines predict the output. Supervised learning is the process of providing input data as well as correct output data to the machine learning model. Here is some advantages of supervised learning. With the help of supervised learning, the model can predict the output. Because in supervised learning we provide labeled data, so with the help of supervised learning model can predict the output on the basis of prior experience. In supervised learning we can have an exact idea about the classes of object. Let us move to unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning in which model are trained using unlabeled data set. So you can see difference between unsupervised and supervised learning. So in supervised learning there is labeled data set, and unsupervised learning there is unlabeled data set. So in unsupervised learning, unlabeled data set and are allowed to act on that data without any supervision. Unsupervised learning is used for more complex tasks as compared to supervised learning, because in unsupervised learning we don't have labeled input data. In unsupervised learning is preferable as it is easy to get unlabeled data in comparison to labeled data. So you can compare the supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning there is labeled data, in unsupervised learning there is unlabeled data. In unsupervised learning is preferable because we can get unlabeled data easily. So we move to regression. So first is what is regression? Regression is a standard statistical technique for performing supervised learning when all variables are continuous. It is just like classification except that the response variable is continuous. Basically, regression given with the y values corresponding to x values to fit a curve which can represent most of the y values. Here is types of regression. So we can see there is a 6 or 7 types of regression: linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, stepwise regression, rigid regression, Leisure regression, and elastic net regression. So we will see two important regression: linear regression, multiple linear regression, and logistic regression. So we move to linear regression. So in linear regression, used to study the linear relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent. In linear regression, we will study a relationship between one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The dependent variable y must be continuous, while the independent variable may be either continuous or binary or categorical. Categorical means a 0 or 1. The mathematical equation of linear regression is y is equal to x plus b. Here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable, and b are linear coefficient. So you can see the plot diagram between of linear regression. So you can see the a scatter plot showing a linear relationship. Here is a weight and height. Linear in it is growing linearly. So it is showing linear relationship. Here is a scatter plot between plot showing the exponential relationship. Here is dependent variable and independent variable. Between dependent variable and independent variable, it is showing the exponential relationship. So this is a exponential relationship. This is a linear relationship. We'll move to multiple linear regression. In multiple linear regression is an extension of simple linear regression, as it takes more than one predictor variable to predict the response variable. You can compare the linear regression and multiple linear regression. In linear regression, there is a two variable dependent and independent variable. Here is more variables. Multiple linear regression is one of the important regression algorithm which model the linear relationship between a single dependent and continuous variable and more than one dependent variable. Here is the equation of multiple linear regression. Here you can see two or more independent variable. So y is equal to b is a coefficient plus a1 x1 and a2 x2 plus an xn. So now come to logistic regression. Logistic regression is one of the most popular machine learning algorithm which comes under the supervised learning technique. It is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using a given set of independent variables. So you can use logistic regression for predicting the categorical dependent variables. It is the most important machine learning algorithm for predicting the categorical variables. Logistic regression predict the output of categorical dependent variable. Here you can see the equation, mathematical equation for logistic regression. Log y upon 1 minus y is equal to b naught. That is a b naught is a coefficient, and here is a multiple linear equation b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus b3 x3 dash 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 bn xn.